My name is James Gardner. I'm the president and owner of Gardner Precision Technologies, located here in Forest Hills, Texas. Our business is it's a CNC machine shop, weld shop, assembly shop related to aerospace tooling. I needed something that was good from quote to cash, would handle the whole thing for me. Since our implementation, going with JobBOSS², it's really mitigated a lot of the issues that I had on my checklist. So it's done a great job of it. We were live in 45 days, and it took a lot on our part, but it also took a lot on the JobBOSS² team. You guys have been willing to run at whatever pace we're going to run, and you guys had said to start with. Jennifer said, "Hey, this is kind of unheard of. This is a fast implementation." But I think we were so hungry and so ready for it. If I'd waited too much longer, we would have already gotten set in ruts that would have been hard to dig out of. Our implementation, compared to other implementations I'd seen, we didn't have a hiccup. Open your mind to the changes, be willing to accept the changes, and let the software do what it does. I mean, it's going to help you if you have your team ready. Everybody open their eyes and realize that you have to change. You got to do that before you start on the software. Our go live day, when we went live with the software, everybody was nervous about it. I was nervous about it too, because we're trying to, we were in startup mode. We were trying to get things done. We had schedules to meet, so I told the guys, hey, we're going to work on this. And if you hit a roadblock, this is what we're going to do. So we're going to hit a roadblock here, jobbing in and out of jobs. We hit that day one. So here's our plan. Here's what we're going to do. If we hit a hurdle, don't just stop what you're doing. Let your supervisor know. Then we'll take care of it. And here's how you go forward. So go forward here. We'll back up and figure out the hours spent on the job later. Things like that. Would I recommend JobBOSS² to other manufacturers? Already doing it? Yes. And the reason I'm doing it is because it's helped us so much. I know some of the other guys I'm working with. I know their struggles. So yes, I'm looking for guys that need the software and having conversations with them, and it's because it's truly helped us.